Right now on WIS News 10 at 5, high stakes on the high court as Obamacare goes on trial, with South Carolina playing a key role in striking it down.
And with the accused teenagers arrested, new developments in the Fairfield County classroom sexual assault. A decision is made on the teacher who left the students unattended.
And what a beautiful day outside. The question is, can we top this? We're going to try. Your News at 5 starts right now.
Live from Columbia, in high definition, the coverage you can count on. This is WIS News 10.
And good afternoon, everybody. I'm Dondi Mercer-Plank.
Glad to have you with us for WIS News 10 at 5 today. I'm Ben Hoover. Well, a big day for the fight to keep the president's health care overhaul from becoming law.
Hundreds gathered outside the Supreme Court building in the nation's capital today as attorneys generals from across the country laid out their cases for the end of Obamacare. One of those was South Carolina's Attorney General Alan Wilson. WIS's Jody Barr reports.
South Carolina is one of 28 states to join the fight against what's become known as Obamacare. Just last month, State Attorney General Alan Wilson signed on to a lawsuit against the Obama administration's mandate that everyone, regardless of religious belief, provide birth control coverage to employees for free. By the hundreds, people lined up outside the U.S. Supreme Court building Monday to rally against the Obama administration's health care overhaul. So did at least 28 states who want the Supreme Court to find Obamacare unconstitutional. Attorney General Alan Wilson.
Jody, this is the most important case in a lifetime. I can't imagine a case more important than this, for people who understand what's at stake here.
Obamacare would require that every American pay for health insurance or pay a fine if they don't. The president argues everyone should have access to health insurance.
We fought for this because it saves lives and it saves money.
Part of that, women who cannot afford contraception should get it for free.
And they'll no longer have to pay hundreds of dollars a year that could go towards paying the rent or buying groceries.
That's a problem for religious groups like the Catholic Church, whose core beliefs go against contraception. Under Obamacare, Catholic churches who provide insurance to its employees might have to pay for contraception. The bishop of the Catholic Diocese in Charleston issued a statement on the issue, saying the government must have respect for religious freedom, and no government has the right to intrude into the affairs of the church. But the opposition goes deeper than that.
This is not an issue about contraception. This is not an issue about access to health care services. This is first and foremost about freedom of speech and freedom of religion.
This is not about taxes. This is not even about health care. This is about individual liberty and state sovereignty. And if the Congress can regulate and command you to enter into contracts that you don't want to enter into, to buy for services you don't want to buy, they can make you do anything.
The contraception issue isn't just a Catholic one. Evangelical groups have also joined the lawsuit, and so far 7 states have joined the churches in the fight to defeat Obamacare. Alan Wilson is in D.C. tomorrow. Final arguments happen Wednesday. We don't have a timeline, though, on how long it may take the Supreme Court to rule on this legislation. From the State House, Jody Barr, WIS News 10.